Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to activate the AUX input on a BMW G30. This is especially useful if you're installing an Android head unit and want to get rid of the extra cables and AUX adapter that normally come with the system for audio output. By enabling the factory AUX input, you can enjoy a cleaner installation and a more OEM-like setup. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.